What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be testing out the Chemical Guys car washing kit. So first things first, let's get this coffee started. Baby, you're the one for me. Baby, you are meant for me. I'm in love with you. Those things look really dirty right now. Alright, so let's see what comes in the kit. Comes with the bucket and this lid, so you have everything inside nice and closed so no bugs get in there and dust. Now, I got this off Amazon. I'll leave the link down below so you guys could click it and just go straight to it. Give you a lot of bubble wrap stuff. Here we get the citrus wash and gloss. Be using that today. Auto shampoo, blah blah blah. Nice little mitt, microfiber. Now this here is meant to stay at the bottom of the bucket, whoops, so that the all the dirt stays under there and it doesn't come back up, so you don't keep using dirty water. So we'll be testing that out today as well. My car is really dirty, as you can see, all these bugs. Look at that. It's just peppered. All right, let's get started. All right, let's see how good this ceramic coating has been holding up. Nice and shiny. Still got to scrub a little bit, but as you see, most of it came off. Alright, so on the back of the bottle it says you use 1 ounce. Now, I got a shot glass because we have a lot of these laying around. So this is 1.5. So just to give you an idea, go about 75%-ish of this. That's about how much soap you should be using. I know a lot of us just guesstimate, but I want to get it down to the science. I bet you are, yep, ready to take that off. Alright, back to the science project. So, let's go ahead. About right, 1 ounce. Dump this in there. The color looks awesome, by the way. Alright, let's start washing. So another thing I'm going to be using is this detailing brush. This is for the wheels. It's rubbery. There's a rubber piece here and the tip so you don't scratch up your wheels. And this gets really good in the wheel wells and areas like that. So I'm going to start with this right now. Alright, so as you can see, you can get right in the wheel well like this, in and out. And this is rubber, the tip's rubber, so it's not going to really hurt anything if you hit it like that. Just kind of do the whole inside like this. Once I'm done with that brush, I'm gonna use a different mitt, stick it in here, and wash the whole face. Well, should have known. You wanna wash your car? It's gonna rain. Thanks to the rain, I gotta dry the car in here now. It's a garage, it's allowed to get dirty. That's probably the next thing I should get, is a drying towel. I've had this chamois for years. It's so dirty. One thing I forgot to mention is that I use a blower to dry off the things like the wheels, some of these cracks here between like the fender of the hood or like the side mirrors. Definitely the fog bezels like in here to get all that water out so when you drive it doesn't come out. It's definitely, if you have this, definitely recommend using this. And then last but not least, I just use this tire wet foam, Black Magic. I just put it on the end of this sponge here, cut in half, and I use that to just kind of smear it around. As you can see, the car is nice and clean. Finally, just got done drying it. I put some tire shine on the tires, wheels are all cleaned. Now, tonight we're gonna be having a little photo shoot at the Hard Rock Hotel. They just put up this awesome guitar which lights up at night, and there's a parking garage nearby where you can get in the background. So we'll be doing that. We'll take you along so you can see what that looks like, and I'll have plenty of photos I'll be posting on Instagram. So overall, the car wash turned out great. I think the bucket and the little trap at the bottom really worked well. The soap just looked clean throughout the wash as I was using it. The soap did sud or foam up while I was washing, so that worked out well. It looks really clean, and yeah, so definitely recommend it. The wheel brush actually worked really well also. There was a point where like I poked something by accident as I was cleaning it, and luckily there's a rubber tip, so it didn't damage anything. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks.